Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, where I create projects using stamps, inks, papers, mixed media, embellishment, and a whole lot of joy. So if you're interested in this, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could be notified when I upload my latest video. So this is Joy to the World Paper Pumpkin subscription for the month of October. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes in it. I did a previous video a little bit talking about what Paper Pumpkin is all about. So it's a monthly subscription by Stamping Up, which is $22 a month, which includes your shipping. So this is spreading the joy around the holiday season globally to all your friends. So this Paper Pumpkin was designed specifically for that. It was designed to help us to connect to people around the world. So those people are English, French, and German speaking friends. And to help us spread that joy around the world, they created a Facebook group called Joy of Paper Pumpkin. So on there, we could connect with other people who love Paper Pumpkin internationally and give us the opportunity to exchange our cards. And it gave us an opportunity to make pen pals. So I don't know how many of you guys are young enough to remember having a pen pal. So I joined that Facebook group, and so far I have 9 pen pals. So far I got 2 cards in the mail by 2 of my pen pals. So I shared those cards to the end of this video. So they have sentiments in English, French, and German. So the sentiments are peace, joy, and love. And they showed you the words in French and also in German. Then I'm going to open this up. And for your first subscription, guys, if it's your first time subscribing, it comes with a clear block. So that's only on your first time subscribing. So you'll get a block that comes with the initial kit. All right, so we have that clear block. Let's open that up so you'll have a look. So this is a clear block that comes with that. Then it comes with your photo palmer stamps. So this is really a nice stamp set. I love the wreath that is included in it, and I love the font that comes with it. That looks good. So they give you a little welcome card that says thanks for choosing Paper Pumpkin. And it comes with a little ink spot. So that is really nice for you to collect your little ink spots. Again, I said this is good, especially for beginners. So you could start collecting ink pads and stamp set and build on your collection. So next they have this kit nicely packaged and secure with a cardboard to the back of it so your items do not bend. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we have some twine, and this is in a nice red. We call that a cherry cobbler red, I believe that is in. We got some dimensionals. We have some cardstocks that we could do layering with. These are embossed, and that's like a sweater imprint. And you have 2 different sizes. And this kit they said that you'll be able to make 8 cards. So we got some envelopes here that came, and they're lined in the inside, and they have the different languages in there. Small little writing that says love, peace, joy. So you're going to get 8 of those. And then you should get 8 bases for you to create your card. It's already scored in the middle. And these are nice. These are in our crumb cake, and they have some little foiling in that, if you could see that shimmer. Then you have some die cuts. So you have some floral die cuts and some wreath die cuts. So they give you several of those. So then we have some gold foil here. So we have some banner labels here. Then you have your sentiments here, which is in a different languages. So it looks like we get 2 of those. Then we have some labels. See, these are stitch labels. So you have 2 different sizes, some smaller ones here. And we got some mini glue dots. You can't forget the instructions that comes with it. They have this instruction sheet and how to put your cards together. So you could have 2 designs. So you can make 4 of each designs and give you a total of 8 cards. So on the back here, they also give you alternate ways that you could create other projects. They also provide a link where you can watch a quick video on how to put these things together. So if you like to subscribe and get a paper pumpkin, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. So let me share with you guys now the cards that my pen pals sent me. So these are the cards that I got from my pen pal. Isn't that beautiful? And it has some shimmery stuff on that. She said hello friend on the flap of the envelope. And then, so this one here was from Chris, is her name. And then this one here was from Joanne. And this was from the September paper pumpkin that she designed this card. She also designed the flap of the envelope, and she put a little kitty on there. Aren't these cute? One thing I love about Stampin' Up! Is just a great way that you could meet friends from all over and share the joy of something that you love. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. This is Claudette. Get out there and be creative, and I would catch you guys on the next video.